The MARSHALLTOWN 1 gallon above rim paint grid simplifies the painting process, keeping it cleaner and more efficient. Designed to snap onto most paint can rims, it works even when the can is full. This versatile tool includes a roller ramp, brush comb, and a convenient cutout divot at the top of the ramp to hold your roller securely. It accommodates various roller sizes, up to 4 inches, while the ramp's walls help contain excess paint, reducing mess. With this grid, there's no need for extra tools, making your painting project smoother and more convenient. The MILWAUKEE MX Fuel High Cycle Concrete Vibrator delivers powerful, consistent concrete consolidation, even in the toughest conditions. Equipped with a power-state brushless motor, it supports a 2¼ inch head at 11,500 VPM for optimal performance. Powered by the MX Fuel Red Lithium battery, it provides instant power without the need for generators or extension cords, ensuring faster setup and a safer workspace. It consolidates up to 130 cubic yards per charge, supports whips up to 32 feet long, and features a wireless remote for convenient operation from up to 30 feet away. The RedLink Plus intelligence ensures optimal performance and protection, while OneKey compatibility allows easy tracking and management of equipment. The Epacking DRM-350W dispenser streamlines the packaging process with full-pack paper, a biodegradable and recyclable material that fills voids in boxes. This device eliminates traditional packing materials like bubble wrap and foam peanuts, making it an eco-friendly solution. It quickly fills boxes, saving time and labor costs while increasing productivity. The dispenser is safe and easy to use, requiring minimal maintenance, and can package various products, from electronics to food. By reducing the need for traditional packing materials, it also helps lower packaging costs. Overall, the Epacking DRM-350W is a valuable tool for businesses aiming to enhance efficiency and sustainability. The Greenlee 849 electric PVC heater is a versatile tool designed for heating and bending PVC conduit, accommodating sizes from 1/2 inch to 2 inches in diameter. It features a thermostat-controlled heating element that maintains a maximum temperature of 475 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring optimal heating performance. Weighing just 15 pounds, this heater is easy to transport and use on various job sites. Its construction includes sturdy double-wall metal and fiberglass insulation for long-lasting durability. The heater also offers a simple preheating process, along with easy PVC loading and removal, making it user-friendly for professionals in the field. The Klein Tools 53710 adjustable hole saw is designed for quickly and smoothly cutting holes in drywall and ceiling tile, with an adjustable cutting diameter from 2 to 7 inches in 1/4 inch increments. It ensures precise alignment and smooth cuts while maintaining perpendicularity for controlled operation. The hole saw connects to a vacuum hose, helping to keep the workspace clean by containing drywall debris for easy cleanup. Size adjustments can be made effortlessly without the need for extra tools, providing flexibility and versatility. Built with durable materials, it's ideal for cutting holes in electrical boxes, recessed lighting, and ventilation systems. Overall, this tool is essential for professionals and DIY enthusiasts requiring precision in their projects. The Wolfcraft Hole Cutter is a powerful and versatile tool designed to create clean, precise holes in various materials. Equipped with high-quality cutting edges, it easily slices through sheet steel and stainless steel, making it ideal for cutting holes in stainless steel sinks and tinware. This hole cutter ensures that the holes created are accurate with smooth, clean edges. A simple turn of the screw allows for easy hole punching, enhancing user convenience. It also comes with a convenient storage box to keep everything tidy and organized. Overall, the Wolfcraft hole cutter is a reliable and efficient tool, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox with its powerful cutting performance and easy-to-use design. The Ebenstock EPF 3-disc milling machine is a powerful tool designed for surface preparation and renovation tasks. It delivers ample power for efficient material removal and features a wide working width for fast, effective results. With precise control and an adjustable depth of up to 5 mm, it allows for controlled material removal. The machine connects to a vacuum cleaner, ensuring a cleaner working environment by reducing dust. Its comfortable grip and low vibration design help minimize operator fatigue during prolonged use. This milling machine easily removes plaster, paint, wallpaper, and tile adhesives. Overall, the Ebenstock EPF 200-3 is a robust and efficient tool that is a valuable asset for professionals tackling various projects. The Greenlee L77 Mini Magnetic Bubble Level is a compact and portable tool designed for precision leveling tasks. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits conveniently in your pocket or tool belt. The level adheres securely to metal surfaces, allowing for hands-free leveling. It provides clear and accurate readings, ensuring precise leveling for various applications. Built to withstand tough job site conditions, this tool is ideal for leveling shelves, pictures, furniture, and more. Overall, the Greenlee L77 Mini Magnetic Bubble Level is a reliable and convenient tool that is a valuable addition to any toolbox. The MARSHALLTOWN Mesh Taper is a versatile tool used in masonry and construction to create tapered edges on brickwork and blockwork. It produces a smooth, tapered edge, ensuring professional results. Made from high-quality materials, it is built for long-lasting use and typically features a comfortable grip for extended operation. Available in various lengths and widths, users can choose the right size for their specific needs. The handle is often crafted from wood or plastic for added comfort during use. Overall, the MARSHALLTOWN Mesh Taper is a valuable tool for masons and construction workers seeking clean, professional-looking tapered edges, making it a popular choice among professionals. The Festool SIS Air is a high-performance air purifier designed to provide clean, healthy air in your workspace. It effectively removes fine dust, airborne particles, and allergens from the air by combining a coarse filter, activated carbon filter, and HEPA filter for optimal performance. With low noise levels, it ensures a comfortable working environment while being easy to move and place in different areas. Users can conveniently control the purifier from a distance and set it to automatically turn on or off at specific times. It also adjusts fan speed based on air quality, integrating seamlessly with other Festool tools and accessories. Overall, the Festool SIS Air is a top-of-the-line air purifier that delivers exceptional performance and convenience, making it an ideal choice for professionals who value clean, healthy air in their workspace. The Greenlee 860 PVC blanket is a versatile and durable tool designed to protect surfaces from scratches, dirt, and damage. It provides excellent protection against scratches, scuffs, and stains, while also safeguarding surfaces from moisture and spills. Built to withstand tough job site conditions, this blanket can be easily wiped clean with a damp cloth for convenience. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to transport, and users can choose the right size for their specific needs. Overall, the Greenlee 860 PVC blanket is a reliable and practical tool for protecting surfaces with durability, water resistance, and an easy-to-clean design, making it a valuable asset for professionals. The Ebenstock End. 1550P core drill is a powerful tool designed for drilling precise holes in various materials. It delivers ample power for efficient drilling and allows for precise adjustments to match different conditions. With a comfortable grip and low vibration, it helps reduce operator fatigue during use. The drill connects to a vacuum cleaner for a cleaner working environment and ensures accurate drilling depths. It can easily penetrate concrete, stone, brick, and other hard materials. Overall, the Ibenstock End 1550P is a robust core drill that is a valuable asset for professionals handling diverse drilling tasks. The Wolfcraft Combination Holder is a versatile tool designed to hold and secure various objects for woodworking and other tasks. It can be used in vertical, horizontal, and angled positions to securely grip different items, allowing for flexibility in your projects. The adjustable clamping pressure ensures it meets the specific needs of each task, while its stability prevents slipping on your workbench. Made from high-quality materials, it is built for long-lasting use. Additionally, its compact and portable design makes it easy to store and transport. Overall, the Wolfcraft Combination Holder is a valuable addition to any workshop, offering secure and practical object-holding capabilities. The Ronin Power Ascender is a high-quality tool designed for efficient and safe rope ascents. It provides strong and consistent ascent power while being easy to carry and maneuver. Built to withstand tough conditions and heavy use, it ensures durability and reliability. The Ascender offers comfortable and intuitive operation, allowing for precise control and adjustments. It also includes safety features for unexpected situations and works with various rope diameters and materials. Overall, the Ronin Power Ascender is a powerful tool ideal for climbing, rescue, and industrial work, making it a popular choice among professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. The Sailrite Cordless Rotary Cutter is a powerful and versatile tool designed for efficient and precise fabric cutting. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement and eliminates the hassle of cords. The cutter delivers ample cutting power for various fabric types, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. It allows you to control the depth of the cut, accommodating different fabric thicknesses with ease. With a comfortable grip and lightweight construction, it is easy to handle during extended use. The tool also provides long-lasting cutting time without frequent recharging and includes a blade guard and lockout switch for added safety. Overall, it is a valuable asset for quilters, sewers, and crafters alike. The Festool Cordless Construction Light Sice Light KBS-C is a powerful lighting solution designed for professional use. It provides strong and even illumination for various work areas, while offering freedom of movement by eliminating the hassle of cords. With long-lasting runtime, it reduces the need for frequent recharging. The light allows you to adjust brightness and light patterns to meet your specific needs. Built to withstand tough job site conditions, it is resistant to dust and water for reliable performance in demanding environments. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with other Festool tools and accessories. Overall, the Sice Light KBS-C is an ideal choice for professionals seeking a reliable lighting solution. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.